Over the past few days, I've been testing out the brand new free Studio app from WordPress.com, and I have to say, I've completely fallen in love with it. It's the nicest and most elegant way I've seen so far of developing websites locally on your own machine. So today I'm going to give you a very quick run through of what it does and how it works and how you can get hold of it, but also show you some of the highlights and the reasons why I love it. Let's dive in. Before I get into a demo, here's a very quick high-tech look on how this is all actually working. So you can go and download the Studio app completely for free today and run it on your own computer. I will put a link in the description where you can go and grab it. And you can build as many websites as you like locally as you like. And it's beautifully elegant. I'll show you in a second. At the moment, it's available for Mac users. It will be available for Windows users at some point soon. But if you want to, you can push up to 5 of those websites that you've developed locally on your computer up to demo sites, which are hosted on WordPress.com. The big advantage being, of course, that your clients can view them there. To make this easy to follow along, I split my screen. I've got the app open on the left here, and I've got a browser over on the right. So this is the app, beautifully simple to use, really, really elegantly built. You can see here I've already added some sites, One Page at Poodlepress and Studio. Those are the sites that are currently running that I've built. But if I want to add a new site, I just click this button here, Add New Site. This is where I put my site name. So I'm going to put Poodle in. You can see it gives you the local path. I'm going to keep that and just click Add Site. And that's it. It's going to set me up the site. It's going to do everything for me. And now I'm ready to edit the site. But what I really love about this is these quick links here. So I don't have to worry about setting up an admin username and password and logging in. If I want to change the styles of this, I can just click on styles here and you see it just takes me straight to my styles section in my browser. So let's just quickly change the style here. I'll change it to a dark background and save that. Or let's say I want to go and edit the single post template. Well, I can just go straight to templates here and it'll launch me off into the browser, and then I can click on my template and then edit it. It's a small thing, but it's an absolutely massive thing that I absolutely love. These quick links I just think are beautiful. And if you want to go and edit one of the other websites that you're developing, it couldn't be simpler. I want to edit this one called Studio, so I just click on it here and immediately all these quick links are available. So if I want to go and edit the styles here, I can click on that and it takes me straight to that point within that website. I don't need to log in. It just takes me straight there and I can start editing straight away. Now, some of you may have noticed that these quick links here relate to WordPress block themes, but Studio also works beautifully if you're using a classic theme. This site here, the One Pager site, uses the storefront theme, which is a classic theme, and you can see the quick links change accordingly. So if I want to customize this site, I can now click on Customizer. It launches the site and takes me straight in the customizer where I can make changes. The quick links on this screen also give you access to the file manager and also the terminal. And if you want to push the site to a demo site so your clients can see it, it couldn't be simpler. Just click on Share here, then click Add Demo Site. The first time you do this, it's going to ask you to authorize it with WordPress.com, but that couldn't be simpler. You just literally click a button, and then it's going to push your local site up onto a WordPress.com hosted site so your clients can see it. And after a few seconds, here's the link to the live demo website. Let's click on that and go and look at it. Here it is. So now your clients can view it live on the internet. By the way, these demo sites will expire after 7 days, but every time you push a new version to the demo website, it restarts the clock. And if you're building themes for clients and you want to make your workflow even more elegant, then I highly recommend you check out the brand new version of the Create Block Theme plugin. It lets you create themes out of the designs you're building in the site editor with just a few clicks. The Studio app is completely free, but it's also open source, and I will put a link in the description below where you can go and check out the GitHub repository and give your feedback on the project. I will also put a link in the description below to the documentation. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found that useful. If you did, if you can hit the like button down below now, it'd be fantastic because it does make a huge difference in terms of how many people get to see this video. But let me know what you think about the Studio app. Is this something you're going to be integrating into your workflow? Let me know by dropping a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos as part of the Build and Beyond series that I'm partnering with WordPress.com to bring you, hit that subscribe button and you'll be notified every time we release a new one. Keep well. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.